Clearing snow is an important job, but it certainly isn't fun, and I don't know anyone who enjoys it. But a group of senior mechanical engineering students have designed a snow-removing robot as part of a senior capstone project. They call it the snobot.
This is senior design for mechanical engineering here at Purdue, and in the senior design, the students are designing, engineering, building, and testing a product that usually does not exist in the world today. And it is a capstone course for our students right before they graduate.
I'm here with Zach Knuth, a member of the Senior Capstone Project. Zach, where did you guys first get the idea for the snobot?
Well, the beginning of the semester we didn't really have any idea what we were going to do, so we started brainstorming, and I went outside of the world of engineering and tried to figure out what people don't want to do anymore. And nobody wants to go out and snow blow their driveway or shovel it with, all the snow out here. We want to stay inside and be toasty and warm. Basically, the snowbot consists of a couple different components. First was an old snowblower from 1980, an old Toro snowblower that we used. Decided just to use that and not reinvent the wheel. So that's on the front side, and then we built our robot behind it. And the way that we keep it within the driveway is we have it's an invisible pet fence, basically. We use the signals off of those collars and just run the same wire that you would run around the driveway. So then the snowbot, when it comes up to the edge, it recognizes that and sends that to our controller and says, hey, we don't want to go into this grass. We want to back up and go back into the driveway and continue blowing snow.
It is a big hit in that it worked about 90%. It's a proof of concept that shows that this particular product could be in your future.
What are your expectations for the snobot? What do you see in its future?
Well, I'd love for it to continue on and, get commercialized, talk to companies like Toro or Craftsman and really just move forward. Of course, with more time and more improvement, it definitely is a viable option for a little snowblowing robot.
We have a tradition here at Purdue to make our engineers the best in the world, and they are trained for global problems, and snobot is the beginning of that, and they can bring together many aspects and systems and solve tiny problems or really big ones. Since this is a simulation of a project engineering team just like they use in industry, these students are ready to go to work and produce results as soon as they graduate.
Anywhere that you're going to work, you're going to deal with the design process and designing before building, and also team building skills. So we had a group of 6 of us that actually were on the Snobotics team, and we had to deal with different issues that we had within the team to achieve our overall goal of having a working prototype. So I think it's an awesome experience. It was one of my best classes here at Purdue.
Staying warm inside while the snobot works outside could one day be the best way to clear the snow. I know I'm looking forward to that day. For Bytes, I'm Sarah Wagner.